inside real quick. $167,619 miles. Clutch start. A few other blank switches there. Toe light, I believe. Not 100% sure exactly what this is, but that's okay. It's got a single DIN radio unit. It's got the gray interior, which I like better than the tan that often came in these guys. But otherwise, it's fairly standard inside. Just needs to be cleaned up desperately. Needs to be vacuumed. There's a couple of things that need updating in here. There's no dead pedal. I'd like to swap out the gas, the brake, and the clutch pedals with something metal. Something a little grippier than the rubber. And something that looks a little nicer. I'd also like to find some original carpets for it. Some carpet mats. Floor mats. I do need to replace the window lock. Or door lock. Yeah, door lock. This is the window lock. That's a little faded off, but she fires right up. It's got the V6 in it. Runs like a top. We do know that it needs some suspension work done on it, but that's pretty common for the pre-99 models. I do have a set of 99 rear coil springs for it that were gifted to me from East Coast Toyota Restorations. Along with a set of the 99 Plus tail lights. So those will be going on soon. Gonna get a new rear bumper. Gotta deal with putting these up properly. Just cleaning it up, doing a lot of that stuff to start with. I would like to eventually put it on a supercharger, but I've got to do a lot of other little things first. Tacoma LBJ upgrade, Tundra brake upgrade. I'm doing the smaller of the two Tundra brake upgrades. I need to update the wheels. These are currently 15-inch wheels from the factory. They were not a common option to get with the 15s. Most everyone had the 16-inch versions of these. But sure enough, there she be. I guess I'll flip this upside down so it's easier to read. 15x7. So, yeah. Gotta go up to 16s, but for now we are going to clean this. I don't know if you guys can see how nasty this guy is. I haven't been able to do much with it while we waited for his estate to finish up. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Check this out real quick. Had those bars down there. They were up on here. Here's where one was. You can kind of see a little bit of a faded line there. But there's where the other ones were. And you can clearly see those. They're nasty. Those things have never been taken off. This Stellar Blue Pearl really is a great paint color for a car. It's kind of blue, it's kind of purple. It's really pretty though. I just wanted to show you that quick little comparison though, because I couldn't believe how dirty it was underneath those things when I pulled them up. Well, I know it's not best practice to wash a car in the sunshine. I really just wanted to knock all the dirt off of it and be able to assess the condition of the clear coat, like up here on the hood where it's starting to fade out and whatnot. It's super, super dirty. I mean, this is just like a preliminary clean, just so that way when I go to do more detail work on it, I can actually get it done. But yeah, this be the old gal. We'll go ahead and give her a quick boot real fast, just so that way we make sure everything's still functioning right. Everything still runs. Oh, and there it be. Back window works. That's a nice bonus. Probably my favorite feature on this car is that rolling down rear window. Need to replace this little guy. Missing one of those. You might have it around here somewhere even. Who knows? But as it stands currently, it has a K&N intake on it, and not a whole lot else. It's a pretty much stock vehicle. You didn't have it long enough to really tear into it and do much to it, unfortunately, before he passed, so it's all up to me now. It is all up to me now. So yeah, it's a little emotional getting in here and being in here, knowing it was my little brother's. It was his pride and joy. But yeah, you know, it was his car and he really liked it. So I'm gonna do my best to just work on it, clean it up, get it back into fit fighting form. I don't know how much off-roading I'll do with it. It'll probably mostly be like a utility vehicle for me. A little bit of a daily driver for my dad when he needs to go places. I'm going to upgrade a bunch of stuff to the later 99 plus years. Some things I will, some things I won't. I'm not worried about like the center console or, you know, the console up here. I'm not worried about switching all that over. I'm just going to leave that pretty much as is. I might get a custom push-in kit for this that'll make it all the wood, since it didn't come on SR5s, and SR5s, or the Limiteds didn't come with a 5-speed. So yeah, otherwise the next point of contention will be getting the interior done, and then it needs desperately to have the suspension done on it, but we will get to that very soon. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you stick around to watch me work on this truck, I guess. I'm not really used to working on trucks and stuff, so this will be a new venture for me, but it should be fun. Hoping to make my little brother proud. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Peace. My great uncle Doug also gave us this old utility trailer he's got. It's real nice. He's
welded it all together. There's tons of tie downs on it. Get both the furniture dolly and the hand truck with it. That'll make car part hauling easier. Especially this thing. Don't have to try to load them up into the back of trucks and stuff, into the back of the runner or the back of the truck. I can just load them in on this ramp, which is conveniently low profile. So yeah, it needs a little TLC, as you can tell. It's been a couple of different colors. Honestly, I think I'm just gonna bedliner it. Just bedliner the whole thing. It'll be tough as nails, and it'll function nicely that way. It'll function real nicely that way. So yeah, I think that might be my plan. If I'm not mistaken, this lower part even swings up. You can unscrew these, and this is hinged right here. So yeah, you undo these bolts, and then this will swing up, so if you need to run something longer than what'll fit in the trailer, you can keep the rear end closed and have it stick up towards the front here, making your load carrying safer and easier, because you can keep that end enclosed and have things sticking out up here where you're already accounting for them taking up space. It's a nifty little feature. It's got tons of points to step up on. Yeah, it's a decent trailer. I'll probably go through and redo the check the axles and wheel bearings and wheels and tires. Make sure they're all well taken care of. I think I've got this guy. I think I've got it.
That's what's on the other side here, yeah. I'm sure that's it.
So I think I'm going to clean the two of those guys up and get a couple of fresh tires on them. Make sure those guys are in good shape, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, a couple of new projects for the channel, the 4Runner and the trailer. I always got a little stopping into Toyota. Seeing all of the cool stuff.
I make my mind up.
GR super things.
You know that's always the way. I make my mind want to buy something that's good.
Hats and various other fun things.